Let us engage. What do we mean by the term carriage outwards? We have just defined carriage inwards as the cost that is incurred on purchases, the cost that is incurred in transportation or delivery of purchased goods to the buyer. Now, what is carriage inwards and what is the accounting treatment of carriage outwards? What do we mean by the term? Good. Samson Waweru. Cost incurred in transportation of sold goods. What is the accounting treatment of carriage outwards? What is the accounting treatment of carriage outward? Yes, accounting treatment. Where do we post it? Is it an income? Is it an expense? Do we debit on profit and loss account or do we credit? What is the accounting treatment? Yes? Any response, class? Any response? Yes, anyone? Okay. Now, we less on sales. Yes, and any other trial? That is good, good trial, Samson. Any other trial? Any other trial? I only have 10 minutes. Manza 2, Sai 5. Huh? I only have 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Yes. Now, what is the accounting treatment for carriage outward? Yes? Any other response? Any other response, class? Debit in profit and loss. So carriage outward is taken as an expense. It is taken as an expense in the income statement. The income statement. It is taken as an expense with the income statement. Now, let us also look at the question. Let us look at the question that I have just shared. I just wanted you to look at the difficult areas. So then I'll leave you behind with that assignment you will do. Then I will mark. Just send in the group. I'm now in that group. After doing it, I will mark. Now, we have returns inwards. Returns inwards. What is the accounting treatment of return inwards and returns outward? Return inwards and return outward. Yes, class? Anyone? Anyone? What is the accounting treatment? Yes. What is the accounting treatment of returns inwards? And what do we mean by this return inwards? Yes? Anyone? Now, returns inwards is simply, it is credited in the profit and loss, or rather in the income statement or profit and loss account, while returns outwards is debited in the profit and loss account. Good, Eunice. This one is credited in profit and loss account, while returns outward is debited in profit and loss account. Good. Now you will do that question. You will do that question and send your answers to that group. I will mark and give you the feedback. I will mark that one and give you the feedback. I'm also looking at another question that has the element of reducing balance, reducing balance on depreciation. A question with provision for bad debts, provision for bad and doubtful debts. and doubtful debts. And also a question with a prepayment. What is the accounting treatment of prepayment? And also a question on the accrued expenses. Accrued expenses. And then a question on income tax. And income tax. What is the accounting treatment of income tax, for example? What is the accounting treatment of income tax when we come to sole trader? Now, income tax is normally charged on capital. When we come to sole trader, this one is charged on capital because a sole trader is not a separate business entity. A sole trader is not a separate business entity, and therefore, the accounting treatment for income tax is normally deducted from the capital. It is taken as drawings. This one is taken as drawings. It is taken as drawings. While we shall be handling partnership, on partnership, remember, partnership business is a different entity from the owners. It is a different, it is a business on its own. It is a person on its own. And that one, we charge income tax in the appropriation account. This one is charged on the appropriation account, on the appropriation account. Now, separate, this one is different from sole trader. On sole trader, we charge it on capital. It is treated just the same way drawings are treated. So I'll give you the questions. As you can see, we have limited time. I'll just be giving questions. Then you send the answers to the group I mark. Then I send you the correct answers. But I'll require all the students to participate before I send the answers. And you can work on that this evening. You can work on that. I've just shared the information in the group. Kindly work on that and let us meet tomorrow. Otherwise, whenever you get a difficulty in that question, just feel free to WhatsApp Mwalimu. I'm just always on, and I will help where necessary. Thank you for this short period. Have a nice evening. Salute you.